I am so excited. I was at the Walmart today and I found two. I have two Series 2 Zuru Mini Brands. If you haven't heard of Zuru Mini Brands, they are the hottest new blind bag. You buy these balls and inside are 5 mini groceries. And what I mean are, like this is a rare one. This is a rare mini donuts. I mean, this is my thumb. Look how cute these are. A lot of people are making grocery stores for their dolls and their Barbies. They're 1/3 scale, 1/3 scale, 3:1. Sorry. Anyway, so they are so cute. So I found 2 balls at the Walmart today. These are super hard to find, and I thought I would go ahead and do an opening. Sorry. So yeah, I take off the outer layer, and then there's another layer. So then there's these pie pieces. Take off the cap. And then one at a time. This is going to be a grocery basket. A twin edge shaving cream. A Mentos fruit pack. A yellow wet ones. This one's kind of rare. And then each comes with its own guide. And this was a Hostess cupcake. And each ball comes with the collector's guide and tells you the rares and the super rares and all of the fun things. Okay, let's do ball 2. Sometimes finding the perforation is not always so easy. There's layer 1 down. Layer 2. I'll pop the top. All right, where to start, where to start, where to start. All right, I am looking for some new donuts. I have a Pure Silk shaving cream. Ooh, the bacon crumbles, the Hormel Black Label bacon crumbles. The pink baby Vaseline. Right, 2 more. The watermelon Mentos container. And last but not least, a microwavable Hormel chili with beans. So that's my 10 items for my 2 balls. Hope you enjoyed opening with me as much as I enjoyed opening them.